we open, uy. Nagugulat ako. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Liechee and you are watching LonChee Booth. Today we are going to do another unboxing, and this time we will be unboxing BTS's latest album, D. D is BTS's 5th album, which was released back in November 20, 2020. According to them, this album was created in response to COVID-19 pandemic. So, nandito daw sa album na to yung thoughts and feelings of BTS out of the crisis. We've ordered this from Weavers via Army's Galaxy PH. Again, check her Twitter page. I'll be putting the link below. So, yeah. Army's Galaxy PH. So, i-unbox muna natin siya, and then later we'll be checking the details of the inclusions. And then, nandito na yung album. Inside, we'll open the bubble wrap, and then let's go to the unboxing. So, na-alis na natin yung bubble wrap, and want to share the freebies I got. We have We'll first check the Weavers freebie, which is this notepad. Yan ang gusto natin sa Weavers. Laging may freebies for pre-order items. If we open it, ta-da! We'll see the handwritten lyrics. And I believe meron tong postcard. This is the postcard freebie. Yep. This is the actual box of the album.
The box has a leathery matte feel.
Naka-engrave a part of Life Goes On lyrics, which is the album's lead single. So say, Life Goes On is the photo book. Tingnan natin siya. That's the photo book. And then we have the making book. Alright, so makikita natin yung, aside from the behind the scene photos, are yung, I believe this is the process of them writing the lyrics. So yan, makikita niyo yung mga lyrics, erased words. According to them, yung they included this making book part to share to the fans, to the armies, the sincerity of how they made the album. Weaver's QR code. And then more photo cards. Polaroid photo. Then we have the member solo pictures. These additional cards, I believe we can put it in the album. Parang cover natin siya. the CD itself. So ito yung sinasabi ko earlier. We can put these here. Ta-da! There's more. So ito na yung track list. We have a total of 8 tracks in this album, which includes yung Life Goes On and of course yung Dynamite. Makikita din natin yung lyrics dito, handwritten lyrics. Members' messages. And lastly, we have the poster. So that was it. This is, I can say, a very collector's item type of album. So yun yung maganda ngayon. Nowadays, the albums are not just the CD itself, but also we have photo books, photo cards, and all other freebies. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed our unboxing. That was it. Hopefully you enjoyed our unboxing video once again. If you've also purchased this album, let us know what you think down below. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share the video. Again, this is Liechee and you have been watching LonChee Booth.